Okay, hello everyone. Today I will be showing Inspirational City on Benno's Skyscraper Simulator. Screen. Okay, first let's start off with the ship. We'll do these elevators in here later. I think there's going to be part 1 and part 2 to this. There's 2 of them. I believe this one goes down more, so there's more of the floors. These are, I believe, too far away. Ooh, here we go. I like that indicator. I wonder what kind it is. Doesn't say. Oops. Let's go down to these first floor. Instead of going to any of the underground floors, we'll just go back because we know what it's like. The indicator doesn't light up, so let's go back down to 1 or 3. That's the indicator. Looks like a West Bank house. Okay, here we go. There's 2 elevators in the station. We're just gonna ride one of them. I'm going the wrong way, but I think they are Pickering. Probably wrong. Nope, I think they might be Gaia. Let's see. It is a Dunwoody, Horn and Dunwoody. Back down to G. Do a ring the alarm.
Doors closing.
Probably gonna take all my storage. They were cut because these are so long. Okay, let's see.
Doors opening.
Right in here we have a glass. I'm just gonna send that one up so we can get it on the way back down. Because this is Stana.
Lift going up.
This is ALS. Okay, let's go ride the Stana up.
Ground floor. Doors open. Door open.
Wrong way. Don't even tell me you can't get. Okay, good.
Lift going down.
Go to G.
Doors closing.
This is a weird shaped one.
Ground floor.
Both doors opening. Both doors open. Not opening. Well, I guess you can see that. Now we have this over here, which, oh, I think this is one of the ego discs. Yes. Yes, it is. There's one eco disc around back, but it only goes 2 floors, so we'll just ride this one. I'll show you it, but... Doors open. Catch that. This one has 2 doors. Doors open. Ego just voice like cut off half of opening. See, here's the other disc. But that only goes up to 1. Let's go to Woolworths, where they have these. This is a Pickering. My tripod is not steady. Now it is, I think. Let's call this one. Ooh, nice motor. I wonder what kind of this one is. This is an Aldous and Campbell. Eco disc, door open, door close, and the original buttons of the other one. That's it for Woolworths. Now let's go into Plaza. Okay. These just go up to 2. I believe these go all the way up. 5, yes, these go all the way up. There's some around the back that go 3, 4, 5. And there's other ones in the front that go G1, 2. See, there's some right there, and some right there. There's a service one. This is a guideline. I think this is going to be the last building for part 1. I wonder what's on floor 1. Okay, and I guess that'll be it. Thank you all.